the nose becomes congested, it usually becomes congested acutely or suddenly when there's a sudden change in function. The sudden change in function could be a cold. So a virus, a bacteria can get into the nose, and the tissues in the nose, in order to prevent more of this bacteria and more of these viruses come in, tend to swell up. And so if you don't breathe through your nose, you get unfiltered air that goes into the throat, and now all the pollutants and bacteria and viruses in the environment also goes directly into the throat. So with a cold, you get this blockage acutely. If you're allergic, a similar process occurs. And if swelling is not relieved, there's a tendency for the fluid in the tissue to build up, and a polypoid or polyp is created, which is a more permanent swelling and not as easily reversible.